Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Google Forms in multiple languages. So the first thing you want to do is ensure that you're properly signed in by typing in googleforms.com in your Google Chrome browser, and then it will take you to this page, which is the proper dashboard for your Google Forms. All right, to get that easily done, ensure that your Gmail address is already signed in to your Google account. Now, the next thing we want to do is pick the particular form we want to work with. You want to either create a new form or work with an already existing form. So this is the form that we are going to be working with. Now, to show you how to create Google Forms in multiple languages, the first thing we want to do is ensure that we add a question. So you just go to the sidebar over here, click on the plus sign, you add a question. So let's say, for instance, question one is, which language do you want your questions to be in? Which language do you want your questions in? Right. Ensure that you're inclusive because your Google form might be open to different people from different countries of the world, and they would probably prefer their questions to be in different languages. That is depending on the kind of Google form that you're creating. So option one could be Spanish, and option two could be English. All right. Having set that up, the next thing you want to do is head over to your three dotted the three dots by the right corner over here. Click on that, and then you would see these three options: description, go to section based on answer, or shuffle option point. So what I want to do is click on the second one over here, and then you would see that whatever option we pick, right? If I choose to work with Spanish or English, to take me to the next session. So you want to head over to this menu bar by the side over here, and then click on add section, so that whatever option your respondent picks is to take them to the next section. So you click on add section, and a section has been created. But since there are two options here, so you click on this to another add section, and then the other one has been added. So you just head back over here, right, and then change this first session to be Spanish. So let's just quickly change that to Spanish, and then the second one would be in English. All right, so you can change this to English. Let's quickly change that. Having done that, ensure that you direct this menu bar to fit in with the sections that you have created beneath here. So you just head over here, continue to next section. So you continue to section 2, which is titled Spanish. So if this person picks Spanish, they would just head over to section 2 and then continue their questions from there. And then for the person who is working with English, so you just head over to the second option and then choose go to section 3, which is English. So this is how you can set up your Google form to in multiple languages so that it is accessible to different people with different languages. And you can go ahead to personalize your question or description in a different language so that those who understand Spanish can read through here and then understand what you're asking. And then those who understand English can come here, so you can decide to add the particular questions you want to work with, add your descriptions, and personalize that. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to create your Google Forms in multiple languages. Until next time, bye for now.